the latest gizmos. And the state's public record law is clear. Written or recorded communications involving public business must be retained and made available for the public inspection unless the law specifically exempts it.
Our second editorial, Texting and Driving. Think new laws through. It's good to see President Barack Obama ban federal employees from text messaging while driving on government business.
I've been volunteering here at WJCT for a little over 2 years now. Well, I motivated the radio reading service. I've done it before. I did it in New York for about 14 years for In Touch Networks. And it's something that is needed, but not only is it needed, I get tremendous gratification and satisfaction from coming in and reading the Times Union to people who are blind or otherwise print impaired.
I've been listening to the radio reading service since it came onto the air 16 years ago. The nature of my particular issue requiring the need for the reading service is that I'm visually impaired, and I've got an eye condition called retinitis pigmentosa, which over time causes the loss of sight down to a certain level. And 20 years ago, I was able to read the newspaper a little better than I can read print now.
Most people take their sight for granted. They don't realize that they're blessed to be able to see. And we have volunteers that come in, and they are the eyes of our listeners.
Poor old Andy. Okay, the last dog cartoon of the day. We go on to Marmaduke. And Marmaduke and his mom are out for a walk, and they're going by the Pamper Your Pet shop. And
the way it would impact my life if the radio station would be, discontinued, it would be totally, to do that, it would just keep me out of touch with what's going on in the world.
Sasha. And Sasha has a report card where she's gotten all the answers correct.
We are a service for the underserved. We are a place for people to go just to kind of stay in tune with what's going on. We are a group of caring people who come in, and we donate our time because we care, because we want to, because we love what we do.
When you read your local news, you are giving them an in-depth feeling of the news rather than your 15-second soundbite. So the people that are listening to us are getting just that much more of the news. How many people? I don't know, but we feel a very close contact to each one of the people that's on the other side of our mic. 100 of those workers may have had serious criminal records, according to...
The radio reading service for me is a vital source of local information, and as far as the newspaper is concerned, I'm aware that they lost funding from the state of Florida, and I believe they also lost funding from a city grant which helped support the service as well. So from what I have come to learn, the financial situation at the reading service is somewhat dire right now.
Financial advisor. And Loretta says to Leroy, I wish
we want to be around for a long time for our community, but we need the support of the community, those that are sighted and those that aren't, in order to do that. So we need the support.
This is Charlotte Wheeler, and I have just listened to two characters read the funnies this morning, and they're descriptive, and they seem to enjoy it, and so do I. And so thank you so much for your service.